Alright, so by way of some background here, I have a 1991 Ford E350 shuttle bus. It is a former church shuttle bus that I am converting into, tiny house camper type thing. It's going to be full featured, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, seating area, off-grid package, solar, all that good stuff. So this is the very beginning of the build here, clearly, and the part that I was dreading and hoping to avoid, but there's no way around it. Floor had to come out. This floor is rotten and just in terrible, terrible shape. That is why I need minimal tools to tear it out. I'm basically using a circular saw and like an ice pick, and that's about it. Yeah, that's all it takes, because the plywood is in such poor shape. There is a layer of metal underneath all that, but it's like Swiss cheese. There's no hope in preserving any of this stuff. So I'm going to let the video do the talking here, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Alright, so it's hard to breathe with that mask on. It's definitely even harder to talk with that mask on. That wasn't so hard. Make sure your tetanus shot is up to date before you tackle this type of project, or at least have a very vague recollection of when you had your last tetanus shot. At this level of decay, it tears out pretty easily. I'm not exactly like Hulk Hogan, but I pretty much managed to, once you get that initial cut in with the circular saw, just muscle it right out. So I'm pretty emboldened by the fact that only took about 15 minutes to do that whole section. Let's get this whole floor ripped out today. I mean, if I can do that, I would be thrilled. But it is hard to breathe in that mask. Yeah, I'm not so concerned about cleaning up the edges yet. I just want the bulk of this stuff out. And then I can worry about the other crap. It's all flying out the back here onto the trailer. And yeah, that's what we're doing. Just keep rolling. so that feels good. The project is well underway, as you can see. This was something that I did not want to do, did not want to have to do, but needs to be done, and hopefully the video conveyed the fact that it's totally doable. If you enjoyed what you saw here, please consider hitting subscribe. I'm going to do way more content on this bus build. Hit the like button, comment on it, share it, and follow along. I look forward to seeing you again, and until next time.